Good morning.
Good morning.
While Nicole is making tea, I quickly want to show you my favorite spot on this campsite.
No, that's mine.
I found it first. We both love just to sit there or lie there and listen to the waves.
Take the silver lining, keep it in your road.
So we just had breakfast. We're now gonna prepare and go to a hike called Roy's Peak.
That is burning red.
16 kilometers
Shine
today.
it in the twilight, shine it on the cold,
go.
cold ground. Shine it till these walls seem to die. We were born with eyes wide open. So
I think we just started. We reached the top and it snowed, and now it's really misty and cloudy again, so you cannot see much, but I'll show you anyway. All the way down there is the car. You can barely see it. Can you see the snow? It is all snow what you see.
step into the silence, take it in your own two hands and scatter it like diamonds all across this land. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blaze it in the morning, wear it like an eye.
Half an hour ago it was snowing, then it was clear, and now it's just all white.
Only things worth living for, innocence and madness.
So that hike was interesting. The weather changed so many times, and we actually really had snow. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it was snowing. And I'm exhausted now. You? Yeah, you too. We now had a shower at a holiday park for free. I hope that was alright, nobody will mind. They just don't know that we were there. And we now headed back to our campsite, which doesn't have a camp shower. So we are saying goodnight already because we are both very tired and we're just gonna prepare the car, cook dinner and go to sleep. Another reason for that is because we have to get up early tomorrow,
Why that?
because there's actually something exciting planned. If I do it. We'll see.
You will do it.
We'll see. You see you tomorrow. Good night, everybody.
I don't have food for you guys. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, 2 onions,
cheese.
definitely. 2 onions, 2 onions.